You're looking at a 2021 Tesla Model 3 long range dual motor with 11,000 miles. Comes loaded. ABS, traction, stability control. It's dual motor, all-wheel drive. Gets over 350 miles at 100% charge. Still under full factory warranty. White exterior, black premium interior. It is a refresh, so it has the double pane glass in the front. Panoramic roof. The toy box. You can make some noises. Long range dual motor, 11,641 miles. Acceleration boost. It is upgradable, full self-driving, and it does come with base Autopilot. Premium audio, CCS enabled, heat pump, heated steering wheel, heated seats. Wireless charging pad. Car is in excellent shape with absolutely no stories. It does come with a 110 volt charger. If you're interested, please give us a call. Our phone number is 508-921-0301. Thank you.